Cut and update and happy birthday kay Derek Cathy mula sa Cut Den at Team Hello Love Again. Happy birthday. At ito yung ganap ni Aden, may black ceiling pala si Aden for the Hungry Pita na endorsement niya. See You Buddies, the Hungry Pita black screening with Allen Richard ngayon. Nasa post ni Katin sa kanyang Facebook for KFC. Finger linking good. Sarap naman ng food. KFC yan. Tapos ito pa yung picture ng Kaden. And during dubbing ng Hello Love Again. Ngayon lang nilabas. Nakikit pa nga ng Kaden. Si Derek Cathy at ang Team Hello Love Again. Sabay pa nga, Baguio. Ang tawa-tawa si Catherine. Si Alden. Ito pa yung post ni John Bill for Catherine Bernardo. For Bench ni Catherine. Sinot dyan sa studio ni Catherine. Tapos ito pa, during Canada.
Thank you.
Nakalit ni Catherine. Dahil na yung during special screening. Kaya ng mga fans Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. And this is your Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more updates. See ya.